Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden using the middle-lighter method. This unique approach focuses on maximizing your harvest in a small area, making it perfect for any backyard. You'll learn how to achieve incredible yields with less effort, thanks to its structured system of feeding and watering. It's a fantastic way to ensure your garden thrives, providing fresh produce throughout the growing season, even if you have limited space or experience. The middle-lighter method begins with creating narrow raised beds, usually about 18 inches wide, which allows for easy access and efficient use of space. Next, you'll prepare a specialized soil mix, often incorporating materials like sawdust and sand, to ensure superb drainage and aeration for your plant roots. Before planting, it's crucial to apply a precise pre-plant nutrient mix, providing all 13 essential elements your plants need for a strong start. Once your beds are prepared, you'll plant your seeds or seedlings at precise, close spacings, which is a hallmark of this high-yield system. Consistent watering is absolutely key. Often, daily watering is recommended to keep the soil optimally moist, promoting rapid and healthy growth. Shortly after planting, you'll start weekly applications of a specialized plant food, ensuring your plants receive continuous, balanced nutrition throughout their entire growing cycle for maximum productivity. Ongoing care involves regular monitoring for any pests or diseases, ensuring your plants remain healthy and vigorous. You'll continue with the weekly feeding and consistent watering, making small adjustments as your plants grow and the weather changes. The reward for your diligent efforts is a continuous harvest. Pick your produce frequently and at its peak ripeness. This not only gives you the best flavor, but also encourages your plants to produce even more, extending your gardening season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.